Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and healthy Oats Upma. This is a quick and easy breakfast that you can make every morning, and the plus is this is super healthy. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडियो देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pan take 1 cup of oats, roast for 5 minutes till golden and aromatic. Take out on a plate and keep it aside. Now add 2 teaspoons of olive oil to a pan. You can also use regular oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 finely chopped onion. Give it a mix. Then add some peanuts. This is completely optional. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 chopped green chillies and few curry leaves. Saute for a minute. And then add 1/4 capsicum finely chopped. You can also add carrots if you want. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 finely chopped tomato. Saute till the tomato is soft. Then add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Give it a good mix. Then add half cup of water and mix well. Water starts to boil, then add the roasted oats and give it a mix. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Our oats is perfectly cooked. This is perfectly soft and spiced. Finally add half teaspoon of lemon juice and give it a mix. And our healthy and tasty Oats Upma is ready now. This breakfast is quick and easy to make and it's super healthy. Oats are rich in fibers, so this acts as a perfect start to a day. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.